folks. Today we've got a cool set of, let's see the actual term for these, jumbo grill basket skillets that I'm going to tell you about. But first let me tell you a little bit about Outset. They sent me these and you'll see a video where I talk about these chalices. The chalices are really good, high quality, and that's something I probably didn't stress enough in the previous video, that this stainless steel set is some of the highest quality. You know, I review a lot of Amazon products. We get shower curtains, we get shower heads, we get all sorts of stuff. We get cooking ware, we get all sorts of things. Some things, you know, you pay $10, you get a $10 product. This, you know, you're looking usually shy of about $40. And the quality, I mean, this is going to be something that lasts your family. It's going to be in your family for the next generation. It's a high quality product, and that's something that I probably should state more often, is when you buy something, and particularly from Outset, you're going to get something that is going to last for a long time, and it's high quality. Now, I don't know if you can see this, I just cooked up some vegetables. This is corn and, gosh, I can't remember the type of beans that are in there, and I put some McCormick Grill Mates on here, and I cooked it on the grill, and they sent me two of these skillets. There's one jumbo and one regular size. You can see the difference there. But the thing is, these are really high quality. Now when they come to you, this detaches, and I think if you were just to put this on the grill, close the grill for 20 minutes, you can put some corn on the cob, you can put some sausage, you put vegetables, potatoes, anything like that. And the key is it's going to cook and it's not going to fall through the bottom of the skillet. And I left the labeling on this particular one because I haven't used this one yet. I have used the smaller one, as you saw. I was going to take you outside and film me grilling, but honestly, my barbecue grill is getting old and dirty, and nobody wants to see that. None of you want to see that. But the end results are fantastic, and these beans, I let them cool off a little bit. So I can hold the skillet, obviously. But they're really, really good. And, you know, the nice thing about grilling outside is you can get your vegetables, you can get your meats, and with the vegetables, all you have to do is cook them until they're warm. You know, when you get anything, whether it's broccoli or onions or green peppers, anything like that, just cook them until they're maybe brown a little bit on the outside, cooked a little bit on the outside, the flavor really gets infused into them if you're cooking with charcoal, that sort of thing. And actually, I got a piece of McCormick pepper on there, and it really had some flavor to it. The other thing, it's really easy to season. They're easy to cook, they're easy to season. You know, you put some salt. Seasoned salt is actually a really good one that I've been using more and more lately. My buddy works for McCormick. They don't sponsor this video in any way, but I found that McCormick has some really good, you know, reasonably priced $2, $3 seasonings that you can use for all sorts of stuff, grill mates and things of the sort. So anyway, I'll put a link to this in the description below. The key is this just slides on and then clips on. So now it's on solid. And you can use this over an open fire. You can use this on a campsite. You can use this on your grill, and then you can unclip it. And if you want to cook it on there a little bit longer, you can clip it back on. So let's see what the instructions and things, what the labeling has to say here. And maybe I'll pause for a thumbnail, right? Thumbnail. Jumbo grill basket and skillet with removable handles. 3 tools in one. Oh, that's neat. I didn't even realize this part, is that these two, well, I'm learning something here. I'm not gonna flip it over, but essentially you can cook it like this, flip it over, put the smaller one as a lid to the larger one. Didn't even realize that or try it yet. It's a skillet, a deep basket, or a grill basket. So, I don't know, what would that be called if you just had like some sausage in there, maybe some chicken in there, and then just a whole bunch of vegetables and potatoes, cook that up over the grill. You got a great meal all in one, seasoned together. They've got a picture of some steak, some shrimp, some lemon, some asparagus, all seasoned up in one. And then they've got another one where it's just a bunch of peppers, another one that's like cucumbers and zucchini, so it's a veggie version. Genius. So anyway, folks, if you haven't been grilling out yet, summer's here. It's time to start grilling out. It's time to get a grill basket if you don't own one. I honestly have never owned a grill basket before, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and grill up some meats and then put a bunch of vegetables, my favorite vegetables. The nice thing about not going out is you can pick your favorite vegetables, kick out those ones you don't like. I don't like bell peppers for some reason. I absolutely hate them. You can pick out your favorite vegetables, you can throw your favorite meats in there, and you can have quite a meal. Cook it up probably less than 30 minutes. Simple, easy, cheap, affordable. And I will put an Amazon link to these fantastic baskets in the description below. Also, check out a review for these. They're called chalices? I think that's correct. But these, yeah, big steel things to drink beer from. Also great for cooking out. We'll put links in the description below. Check out that other video. I'm Adam, we're 911 Reviews. Adios, amigos.
And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.